So we're in Home Depot, we're not shopping for fridges. However, I thought it'd be a really great opportunity to show you what I would look for in a fridge if I got a new one and what is fin approved and what is not. So we're gonna start, I guess this is a Samsung, and there's no handles on this. And so some people may like this because I think it looks really sleek. For me, this is not gonna work, and I'm gonna show you why. So I could, to get this one, there's this little handle right here. It's only about this wide, and I have to bend down to get it. But that didn't even apparently open the door all the way. It looks like I then have to like reach down again and do one of those unless I'm missing something. To open this side, same thing. And then because I don't have the wrist motion, I can't do this. I have to literally bend this way to open these drawers, and it's super awkward. So I would never ever get something like this. This is definitely not fin approved, and I'm not, no, not a fan. This is LG. I like it as handles. I can open all of these. I have no problem with it. I don't have to do any weird twisty maneuvers. I can pull these down and out. No issues there. I like this one. I like the handles. This is definitely fin approved. Going down to another Samsung. Apparently Samsung and I are not friends. Let's see. It has these awkward handles again. And I don't even know how to open this whole door without like I don't even know how to open this all together. So this is like that first one that I showed you, and once again this just has one big drawer that would be really difficult to use with my left hand. Like I said, these handles are probably the best bet for me. And then if you walk down here, this is another similar thing where the handles, there's no squeeze handle underneath. It's just one long open thing that I can pull, but I still have to awkwardly bend down, and it's a really awkward move. And if I have something in my hand or I'm carrying it, it's not going to be easy for me to put this in the fridge. These are obviously no handles again, but it's vertical. I could open this door pretty easy. That's not bad. But to open this side, I literally have to twist my whole body, and that actually kind of hurt my shoulder. So this would not be fin approved. Like I said, handles work. The last one I'll show you happens to be an LG. It doesn't have handles. I could probably do the fridge okay. That wouldn't be too bad. The freezer would be a little awkward because once again I have to bend my entire body in order to open up this freezer. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what is fin approved and what is not. And let me know what you think, and like, subscribe, share, all the things, and I really appreciate you.